We work very well with our customers, and we give them extraordinary customer service.
When you call here, someone will always answer. You can talk to someone who knows your account and the types of parts that you might order or might need.
We act as an adjunct of their organization, almost like an arm of their organization. And the more seamless that is, the more effective we are.
After parts delivered, anytime, if something isn't right, if they have questions about it, they can always call and talk to someone, and if we don't know the answer, then we'll find out. So there's support here from the sales team to the customer service team to, even the president and the plant manager.
I have all the confidence in the world in SelfLube. They do a great job for us. They're very, very fair in their pricing, and their on-time delivery is outstanding. When there is an issue, they come to us and communicate to us anything that we might need to know, and they always work with us.